All right, folks, it is Bonehead situation time. Got myself in a little situation here. Parked truck here last night. Unfortunately, I parked it too close. Unfortunately, I parked it too far into the grass. And when I went to go hook up this morning, it just kept sliding. Almost 44,000 pounds in the box. Shell tires coming off the ground. Try to get to it at an angle to try to get it, but as you can see, man, it is not a good situation. You know, stuff happens. I definitely misjudged this. I was ready to go to the Walmart and try to see if I can find one of those I can't remember what you call them, but you basically put them on the ground and put the landing gear on them. But walking across the field and I saw this big concrete slab, so I'm gonna try to raise the landing gear up and see if this will work. Now I'm going to record this, but I'm praying that everything's going to work out just fine. I think it will with the slate. If it gets any worse, then I am going to have to call a wrecker or something to slide it over to the road. But we'll take things nice and slow, and we'll see what happens. Now, just in case you're wondering, I already have all the air out of the airbags. Man, oh man. So, like I said, 44,000 pounds in the box. Looks like the tire is coming back on the ground. However, that concrete slab that I've got under there, it did just break. So I'm a little concerned about that. But I'm gonna take it nice and slow. I mean, trying not to make a bad situation worse, but I really don't want to have to call a wrecker out here. It's probably gonna be $1,000 at least. But if this thing falls over, probably will cost me a lot more than that. So we'll take it nice and slow. And if things look like it's not gonna work out, I'll go ahead and stop and call a wrecker. Don't try this at home. I am batting 1,000 on the Dumbass Trucker Award for today. We're actually locked in this time. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared to get under there to double check. I thought I was good, I did the full test. Obviously I wasn't. Let that be another lesson. If you can learn from my mistakes today, I know I'm not the first trucker this has ever happened to. Probably the only dumbass to try to get myself out of it like this though. Christ is averted. Woo! Thank you, Lord Jesus. Haha. Yeah, that was really dumb. I parked too far in the grass. Here, and I did it a few days ago, but I was empty, so that false sense of security, I wasn't thinking. So I got almost 44,000 pounds in the box, and of course it didn't work. But wow, I mean it tore that up. Oh well, lesson learned. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me be a dumbass. If you did, go ahead, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and leave a comment about how dumb I am, please. Anyways, as always, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you can keep. Woo! Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. Point proven. And last but not least, something I did not do today, stay smooth, my friends.